Hi, today I'm here with me TCL 405 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere and we should now get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while application will downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes agree, be close and tap to OK. And now we could see here information about our battery health. In my case, battery is in good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery level, health capacity, voltage and Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.